Tell us a little bit about Medicine for Mali. Tell us what it's all about.
Medicine for Mali is a humanitarian relief organization, and it's been around since 2000, and we've gone to the same area in remote Mali, which is in West Africa. We do clean water, microfinance to 400 people, mainly women. We do a lot of preventative medicine with public health and training the village birth attendants, the nurses. We do vital statistics, the first written birth records and immunization records and weight records in the area. We do in the schools, we're teaching teachers how to be better teachers, and we have 20 students who are getting scholarships that go to the high school in Bamako.
Okay. And can you tell us what grant money will go to specifically?
The grant money will go to buying textbooks for the 4 schools in the area. They go 1st to 9th grade. And they have about 2,000 students. There are about 500 students apiece. And there are very few textbooks, certainly very few current textbooks. The kids copy off the board, wrote into copybooks, and that becomes their textbook. That's it.
Okay. Can you, before we close, talk about your role in the organization?
I am the wife of the founder, and my daughter was the very first one to go. I take care of education and public health for Medicine for Mali.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming here and doing the interview, and we hope that the CIP can continue to be a supporter for Medicine for Mali in the future.
Thank you very much. We're very appreciative of the grant.